and you are here. This is the interface that you're going to see. So once you land on this interface, you know that you've had a powerful bot that have been able to complement more than what you pay for, because on our website we're giving out all these prices for giveaway prices. So here is how to get started. So you're going to focus on how I'm going to use it, and depending on the board that you use, everything is still almost the same way on how to use it. Now we're pretending this is the first time we're using this, because anytime you later follow the link and you come to your ChatGPT interface, this is exactly what you're going to see. Now I'm going to show you how you will interact with it, complete your tasks, and create documents from this interface. It's going to help you to create a PDF document, and the PDF document, you can use it for any purpose. If you close this chat, you come back, you may not see the history, but for the time you are still working with it on your on the interface, it will not delete anything, and it has a very good memory. You can keep chatting and it will remember every information that you've been interacting with it. Now, so for the first time, we are going to ask you, what can you do for me? Fantastic. Start growing a digital marketing agency, project management or different industries, marketing strategy tailored to your business. You can see what I'm talking about. Marketing strategy tailored to your business. You can check our website for the price of these bots. It's around 3,999 naira. So if you need something like this, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's going to do everything that is tailored to your business. Now, this is what it can actually do for you. Build marketing funnel, content planner, and ad strategy. Align marketing with industry specific journey, customer journey. You can optimize campaign across channels. You can do a lot without killing yourself with prompts. Without killing yourself with prompts. Now, how do we do that? Now you can continue. Say, how do I get started? Right? Because that's what we want to do. We are not here to play. We want to work. All right? So let's get started. Now, awesome. You are ready to get started. To give you the best advice, I just need a bit context. Can you tell me? So the reason why it's asking this is to understand your business, right? So, and every time you want to use it, the same thing. It asks this question to only understand your business, right? So for this purpose, we are going to be leveraging every information to Wise AI. So we make it very realistic, right? So it asks me, are you looking to start a digital marketing agency or something else? The answer is no. Wise AI has been existing, so we're not starting any digital marketing. What's your target industry? So now, number one, you just say, this is an existing agency. The name is Wise AI, and our mission is to produce business, to produce life-changing AI workers that help businesses to grow across Africa and beyond. That's short for you to understand the purpose of our business. Now, what's a market target industry or niche, e.g., real estate, e-commerce, local businesses, healthcare? So already this has the number 2 question has been covered inside number 1, but we can still answer. So I can just say our target niche is well, we're targeting almost all industry, because any industry or any niche can actually key into AI. You can say we do not really target a specific niche or industry, as our AI solutions can be easily keyed into any businesses that operate digitally. That is it. Do you already, so if you have industry targets, they are not, the bot is not asking for your own niche. It's asking that which niche are you targeting. So if that is, which niche do you produce your solution for? Do you really focus? That's your target audience, target niche. So do you already have any skills or experience in marketing, projects, or management, or another field? Do you already have a skills or experience? So for me, we have skills in no code, AI, agent development, skills in digital marketing, skills in business management, and content creations. So these are our strengths actually. Are you doing this solo or you have a team or partner? So we we have a team, we have a small team that are still growing. Actually, that's very honest. Although the goal of our digital marketing strategy is to get investor slash partner to grow the business into a multi-million AI agency that has already been targeted for the year. So if you are unsure about all about some of these, no worries, I can get you step by step on way to build something smart and enable for your goals. So if you are not sure about these responses, so these responses are just few, right? You cannot produce only few responses like this or only few prompts like this for AI for Chatgpt to really understand your business. But with this, it can really understand your business. So send. Loading, and we're here. That's powerful mission. Why is AI as a standard value proposition? That is actually true. And your focus on AI workers for digitally enabled businesses opens up massive opportunities across emerging and established markets, right? Open up this. This is amazing. So it's talking to you as if it's actually human. So since your immediate goal is to attract investor or partner, let's break your digital marketing strategy into focus 4-part roadmap. So definitely this is a strategy that Wise AI is going to be using, right? So but this is just a 4 roadmaps. This is something that ordinary ChatGPT will never give you, right? Ordinary ChatGPT will never give you. Now if you are not sure, let's open another ChatGPT interface and provide the ChatGPT interface with this response alone, and let's see and with this response alone, and let's see their responses. You will see the powerful tools that you have just bought with that token amount of money, right? So this is another ChatGPT interface. So I'm just going to this is another bot. We are not going to use another bot. So we're just going to use normal ChatGPT, right? Normal ChatGPT. So now we give the ChatGPT the same information that that we provide for this bot, right? We just give it the same information, send, and let's see their response, and let's see its response. This ordinary ChatGPT interface, right? So not a bot. It is not a bot. So look at the response. Got it. Why does that sound like it has a solid mission and right skills to sell on big? If you are working on messaging, pitch decks, this marketing campaign or attracting investor, I can help shape this into something polished and powerful. Want to start something like a pitch or learning? So what we want to do is actually to build a marketing strategy for this business, right? That's what you want to do. So awesome. You can see you just go ahead to start building core messaging position, ideal audience profile. You just go ahead and start building the marketing strategy without a roadmap. You can see no roadmap, just start it. Landing page, email marketing formula, just start building it. But hell no, this is a total different thing. You can see. So it says this is a powerful mission, this, and that. So let's break your digital marketing strategy into a focus for roadmap. You can see these are 3, 4 roadmap. Now it now says the next step is creating your LinkedIn content plan, building an investor ready pitch deck, structuring your AI product marketing page, outlining a campaign strategy to connect with your partners or VCs. Now you can see this, it's even giving me the next step. Now let's check the normal ChatGPT. Can you see it doesn't give us any next step? So it's only asking one question. Would you like me to designing any of these materials, e.g., this, and that? The answer is no. So definitely this is not as effective as our bot. The bot is amazing and nice. Now, moving on, this is not just all. Like I promised you, I said this is not the limitation to what you can actually do with this bot. And we have seen the roadmap now. Now, this is the last chart, which is the roadmap actually. So before we start building any of these, that YZI already have, that we are just using this as a training. So I'm going to ask it to build a PDF, a downloadable PDF file with the supplied information, right? So we need a PDF to download this information so that we have this information downloaded as documents. So it's loading. You can even see, oh, my battery is actually low. It's writing it as a code, but that's not really your problem. Just allow it to finish first. So this is the output. You can see I can download this file, right? I can download this file. This is amazing. Now, if I download this file, let me click on it to download this file. Just click on it. It's loading and it is downloading. You can see it has been downloaded, right? It has been downloaded here. So I'm going to click on it to open it. Now, once I open, you can see just download your file and that is all. So depending on what you actually need, you can customize or tailor all this information to your taste. So thank you guys. This is where I'm going to stop. If you love this bot, start making a purchase. It is extremely affordable compared to the value this can actually give to you.